Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this carrot oil, and I've already grated my carrots here. I will go ahead and divide it into two because I'll be showing you two methods of how you can make your carrot oil at home. So stay tuned and keep watching. And if you find this video helpful, remember to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I've done dividing it into two, and I'll be making use of a bigger bowl for number one method. I will go ahead and put it in my cooking pot. You can use any glass container you have. It's not necessary must you use a bowl. You can use a glass jar. And I will be adding oil inside the carrots. I will make sure the oil is at least to the level of the carrots. Then the next thing I'll be adding is water. I've already boiled the water. So I'll be adding hot water into the pot, and I make sure the hot water is up to the level of the carrot. Then I will cover and start cooking. After 10 minutes, I will open it and give it a stir. And once I'm done stirring it, I will cover it and I cook it for another 10 minutes, which is total of 20 minutes. Once I'm done cooking it, I will take it out from the water and I will allow it to cool down. After cooling down, I will strain it. You can use only strainer, but why I use chiffon cloth is because I want to press out all the oil from it. And once you are done taking out the oil, add into your glass jar. After putting it in your glass jar, you add essential oil, which is optional, but essential oil will make it smell great, especially when you want to use it on your skin or on your hair. And I'm using orange flavor. Essential oil also makes it to last longer because it serves as a preservative. Now it smells so good. You can use it on your baby's skin as well. And why I use olive oil is because olive oil is good on skin. So when making this, make sure you use a good oil that you can also apply on your skin, like coconut oil also works good in this. So the next method is frying method. I will be adding oil into my pan. I will throw in the remaining carrots. I will keep stirring just to fry it a bit till the color changes to brown. Don't allow it to burn. Just once the color changes to brown a bit, just like so, then it's okay. You can take it out, but you can still fry it a bit more, but don't allow it to burn. Allow it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, it will look like this and is ready to strain. Then I will be straining it as usual with my chiffon cloth and sieve. Then I will press out all the oil from it just like so. And after that, I will add this inside my spray bottle. This is the one I spray on my face. I use it to clean my face after makeup. And I'll be adding the remaining one inside my spray bottle for my hair. And I do spray it on my hair in the morning or at night after taking my shower. And I also add some inside my cream, which I'm applying. It helps you to shine during winter. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll be trying this out. Bye.